Halo semua, guru Bule gila di sini. Dan hari ini ada unboxing. Saya tidak tahu apa saya unboxing hari ini karena saya lupa apa saya beli. Fortunately for me, my wife does not get angry when I do that. I bought a bunch of cool stuff and I'm like, ooh, itu membuat bagus, video bagus. Tapi saya lupa, forget, right? I forgot what I bought. So here's the mystery box. Kartos mystery. Saya tidak tahu apa di box. Jadi kita bisa membuka dan lihat. Oke, let's go. Ayo. Oke. Hati-hati. Bahaya. Okay, let's see. What the what? I didn't order. Oh yeah, I did order this. Okay, now I know what we're dealing with. Okay. Semua ini emergency ration untuk lifeboat. Emergency ration. Can you read that? Okay, I will try to read in Bahasa. We'll see how my Bahasa does. Makanan Darurat Untuk Sekoci dan rakit penolong. Penolong. Dan 50 gram komposisi tepung kacang hijau, tepung kedelai, tepung crackers cream, mengandung antioksidan, TBHQ, BHA, gula lemak nabati, pengawet kalium sorbat. Emergency food. If you have to have food, this is emergency food for lifeboats. Chica, I don't know the word for lifeboats. I'll just speak English and you can help maybe learn English. If you want to help me with Bahasa, tell me in the comments below. Comment and tell me what you think of my Bahasa. Is it good? Is it bad? Do you want to insult me? Go ahead. I don't mind. Just make a comment. And like and subscribe. Okay, let's open this up and we're going to taste it and we're going to see if it's any good. The other one I'm going to keep for my go bag. As a bonus in this video, I'm going to show you my go bag and what a go bag does. All right. This says, this box contains emergency food, stored in an airtight container. It's good for 3 years. For 3 years, it's okay to eat this. Oh, this way. You can't read that, can you? Okay, over here it says, per orang makan roti kerang padat tiap 6 jam 1 keping. Dikunyah halus baru ditelan. So, you are lost in the woods, you're hiking, but you've got your trusty, you went hiking in the woods, you went to Bukit, kamu pergi Bukit Lawang, Bukit Tangkahan, Gunung Lesur, dan mau jalan-jalan, tapi kamu tidak pintar dan kamu tidak hire a qualified guide. Jika kamu datang ke Sumatera, and you should, Sumatra is beautiful. Jika kamu datang Sumatera, harus pergi ke Bukit Lawang, lihat orangutan, dan Tangkahan, lihat orangutan dan elephant. It's elephant. What's elephant? Tell me in the comments below the Indonesian word for elephant. I remember it, gajah mata? No, that's glasses. Something like that. Anyway, so if you go, make sure you hire a qualified guide. You need a qualified guide, not just some guy who's like, yeah, I can show you the forest, man, sure. You gotta go to a qualified guy. If you go to Bukit Lawang, on the rocks is a great place to go. They got qualified guides there. So, but let's say you're not smart and you go hiking with no guide. Jika kamu pergi ke hutan dan tidak ada guide, tidak ada orang ke tahu di mana kamu are, where you are, it doesn't know where you are, then you're lost and you've got this. Ini makan untuk 3 hari. Satu orang bisa survive 3 hari dengan ini. Jadi, how does it taste? Let's find out. Let's see what it looks like. I can see on the side, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. So there's 10. So that's good. Let's try it. Let's see what we got. There's a little thing there to tear it open. Let's see how easy it is to open. Okay. It wasn't hard to open. There's plastic. Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. So there's 20. Okay, what's that? This is, I guess, a little plate for you. It's for the side to protect it, I think. I don't know. I don't know why we have this. All right. It's like sama seperti di Lord of the Rings dan Frodo dan Samwise Gamgee ada litmus bread. Dan di cerita itu litmus bread satu pieces litmus bread untuk 1 hari. Dan itu bagus sekali. Itu, oh man, that does not look good. That does not look delicious. S for what? What is the S for? See what it smells like. It does not smell good. Yeah. Like, sama seperti makanan untuk gerbil, hamster. Yeah, rabbit food. Yeah, it reminds me of hamster food. Let's try it. It's okay. It's Rasa tidak malus, not bad. Malus. Rasa okay. Itu tidak enak. Saya jika kamu harus makan ini, kamu tidak bisa seperti dinner time, yay. No, it's okay. Yeah. I won't snack on it. Ini jangan bagus kerupuk karena it doesn't taste good. Okay. Saya makan satu, jadi bisa tidak harus makan lagi untuk 6 jam. Tapi now saya mau minum. Rasa tidak bagus. It's not awful. It's not great too. When you bite into it, it's quite hard. It's like eating, I want to call it hardtack. It's hard to bite into. When you crunch it, itu sama seperti the powder. It becomes bubuk, like a powder in your mouth, and then ya, saya tidak mau makan itu di cinema. Dan saya tidak mau pakai itu untuk makanan normal. Tapi jika di lifeboat, jika starving, if you're gonna die, this is good stuff to have. Now, enjoy. If you have a lifeboat, or if you go hiking, or if you have a go bag, then this is great stuff to have in a go bag. Next video, I'll do a video on my go bag and what goes in a go bag and what you're supposed to have. A go bag. To be prepared for anything. I've got 1, 2. This one was for this video, and now I'm going to go make my wife eat some. But this one goes in a bag, or emergency bag, in case there's an earthquake, in case there's a flood, in case there's a COVID panic and no food. We have something to survive. And that's this video. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is Guru Bule Gila with an unboxing and product review of Makanan Darurat Untuk, Sekoci, dan Rakit Penolong. Bye.